Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Bolt versus Lovable and V0. Bolt is a browser-based AI app builder designed to make app development easy for everyone. You don't need to write any code, just describe what you want in simple words, and Bolt creates a complete application. It handles both front-end design and back-end functionality, so you get a fully working app without doing separate coding. Bolt uses modern technologies like React for interactive interfaces, Tailwind CSS for stylish design, and Node for backend processes, which ensures your app runs fast and looks professional. It's ideal for people who want to quickly prototype ideas, build functional products, or launch apps without technical knowledge. Bolt also supports scalability, meaning you can start small and grow your app as needed. Lovable is an AI platform that helps you build websites and full-stack applications just by describing your ideas in natural language. It works for both beginners and experienced users by automating app structure, interface design, and backend setup. Lovable is particularly good for rapid prototyping because it allows you to quickly see your ideas in action. The platform focuses on delivering a smooth, user-friendly experience, and it provides options to adjust designs and layouts. This makes it a good choice for entrepreneurs, small teams, or anyone who wants to create apps quickly without spending weeks coding. Lovable also emphasizes usability, making it easy to manage and update apps after they are built. V0 is a generative AI tool focused on creating responsive UI components and web app code efficiently. You describe the interface or component you want, and the AI generates high-quality code instantly. It supports popular frameworks like React, Vue, and Svelte, and integrates with tools like Tailwind CSS. V0 allows you to see multiple variations of a design, select the best one, and copy the code directly into your project. It is especially useful for developers who want to speed up front-end development, or for designers who want to turn their UI ideas into functional components quickly. V0 is more focused on interface generation rather than building full applications end-to-end. Overall, if you want a full app builder that handles both front-end and back-end automatically, Bolt is the most powerful option. If your goal is to quickly turn ideas into working websites or apps with minimal effort, Lovable works best. If your focus is creating responsive UI components or high-quality web code fast, V0 is ideal. Bolt is perfect for complete app building, Lovable is excellent for fast prototyping, and V0 shines for front-end focused development and design. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.